Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and capturing the IMEI. This is required by carriers to authorize an unlock. Once done, back up your data because the process can reset settings. Make sure the account is in good standing and any installment plan is cleared. Carriers block unlocks otherwise. Now contact the carrier's official unlock request channel with the IMEI and account holder details. Start the formal request and note any reference number you receive for tracking. You submit the official unlock request and follow the carrier's form fields exactly, because mismatched names or numbers delay approval. Once approved, you'll receive a code or remote unlock instructions. Save that message. In the meantime, update the device OS and remove any custom ROMs or jailbreaks, since carriers require stock firmware to accept the unlock. Prepare a different carrier's SIM to test the result once you get approval. This makes verification immediate and conclusive. You complete the process by inserting the new carrier's SIM and following the carrier-provided steps, either entering a code or waiting for an over-the-air unlock. If a code is required, enter it carefully. Too many wrong attempts can permanently lock the slot. Once unlocked, make a test call and data session. If it fails, confirm the IMEI matches the approval, reboot, and retry. If problems persist, contact the carrier with your request reference, and they will finish or escalate the unlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.